Okay, here we've got what I think is maybe some walnut. We're just gonna try to break it. We're gonna underestimate the strength of this wood. It's not budging. I managed to dent it just a little bit. So we're gonna take it over, clamp it down, and use a bigger hammer. And yeah, you just watch my workbench move. That wood is strong. Okay, now that we've got our wood broken, we're just going to make a dam for the resin. So I'll just make a hop there. That actually needs to be a little higher. A little extra glue on here just because I don't like leaks. Okay, so I pre-measured these out already. And I've just had the resin warming up. Because warming up your resin makes it flow nice and smooth. That is normally the thicker. Give that a good stirring. White mica powder. Just a couple drops of purple. That's sort of lighter. Glitter into this purple. Or not, but we'll see. I'm just gonna put a couple drops of the darker purple in there too now. black mica in there. Don't need much. Okay, so here we're going to do some more voiceover because some reason the audio in the last clips didn't work out. So we're just going to demold the piece here. We've got some nice swirls of color in there. Now I've taken the belt sander, flipped it upside down, started it, switched to a nice fresh belt, and we're just going to clean up the edges here. That way we've got a nice level surface for when we do the drilling, so we get a nice clean hole right through it. And we really only need the one side to be smooth, but for some reason I decided to clean up the edges. I do believe I was trying to see if I could see what the sides look like. So we've picked where we want the hole to be for the ring. We're just using Forstner bit to drill on through here. So we'll speed through this, a little bit of smoke, and we'll push all the way through that wood. Okay, now that we've drilled the hole, I went over to the bandsaw, cut it down so that there was less material to work with. And here we're just shaping that ring. We're just bringing down the material so that's a nice, even contour. A bit of a closer look up. Really should invest in higher quality camera if I want to do something this close. But we're gonna straighten up the facets, and we're gonna add a couple more facets just so it looks sort of like a gem on top. And now over to some final hand sanding. We're going to work up through the grits. I do believe I started at about 160 on this, and we're just going to give about 25 rotations for each one. And there's mosquitoes because, well, I live in Manitoba and there's a lot of mosquitoes here. So we move up to the next grit, and then once we're done with that, we go on to some wet dry sandpaper for the final sanding. And now that we've got it all sanded up, I'm just using some of my pink paste to give it a good polish. And that's just some mineral oil and some wax mixed down into a paste wax. And there you got it. A wooden resin ring. Not exactly how I envisioned it coming out, but I do like how it did come out. It's almost got like a black granite type look on top with the walnut on the bottom. So I'm rather pleased with this. If you enjoyed this, please give the video a like. If you want to see more stuff like this, consider subscribing, and have a great day.